Hi children, welcome back to your English online class. I hope you all have completed your yesterday's work. So dears, today we are going to start our second lesson of block learn. So what is our today's topic? It is parts of recipe. Parts of recipe. And keywords for today's class, it is recipe, steps, cupcakes, serve, better, and doing words. Yes, dears. Now I want to ask you, do you want to eat Maggie's noodles? Do you like it? Okay, then how many of you know to make this Maggie? Do you know how to prepare this Maggie? Yes, first of all, we'll take some water on a pot and keep it on the gas stove and let it boil. And after then, we are putting noodles and Maggi masala and boil it for 2 minutes. And after this 2 minutes, our yummy, tasty Maggi is ready to eat. So this how we are preparing the Maggi. This was the recipe of Maggi. So which are the things we need to make this recipe? This Maggi, water, Maggi and Maggi masala. These are the three things we need to make this recipe. So what is our today's aim? It is to prepare the recipe and to find out the ingredients for recipe. So today we'll find out the features of a recipe including its ingredients and steps. So dears, now tell me, do your parents cook food for you? Yes, most of your parents cook food for you. Sometimes your father may cook, or your mother, or grandma, or sister, and so on. And do they follow any recipe to make this food? Yes, of course, they must be following one recipe to make their own food. So, dears, what is this recipe? RECIPE recipe. Do you know about this word? It just tells us how to cook food. Means it is giving some instructions to prepare the food step by step. As in the previous class, we have drawn one gift box, right? How did you draw that gift box? With the help of some instruction, and ma'am have given some steps to you, like draw a box and draw a toy in the box and draw a bow on the box, and at last write your name on the box. So these were the instructions. So this how also in recipe some instructions are given to make the food step by step. So dears, now look at this picture. This is the cover page of our block learn. Who are there in this picture? Right, Sam and Sid. And what are they eating? Can you guess about it? What are the things can you see on the table? One egg is there. And what is in his hand? You can guess. Is it a chocolate? Okay, so now we are going to read about it. So please open page number 15 on your textbook. Sid and Sam's chocolate cupcakes. Yes, as we have seen in that picture, what were they eating? They were eating a chocolate cupcake. So my dears, have you ever eaten a chocolate cupcake? I have eaten this cake a lot. It is very tasty. So, my children, do you want to know how to make this cake? Do you want to learn how to prepare this cake? I want to learn. So let's read that. What is the steps we need to make this cake? So first of all, ma'am will read and you will listen to me. Okay. So let's start. Things you need. 1 cup of white flour, 5 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 cup of sugar and 5 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of milk and 2 eggs. So these are the things. These things we need to make this cupcake. Then see the steps. Turn the next page. It is from page number 16. Steps. Mix the butter and sugar together in a bowl. Then step number 2, add the eggs, flour and cocoa. Mix well for 5 minutes. And 3, add the milk and mix it for 2 more minutes. And steps 4, it is pour the cake batter into a cupcake pan. And number 5, put the pan into a hot oven and bake the cupcakes at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. And last step, it is serve with ice cream and enjoy. So dears, here first I have told you about the things that we needed to make this thing, and then I have told you about the steps, means how to make this chocolate cupcake. Now what will you do? You will read it again and you have to find out the doing words. What are the doing words in this steps, in here, in these sentences? See, what are the doing words? Yes, first one it is mix, add, then pour the cake batter, it is a doing word. Then put the pan, that put, and serve. So these are the doing words. So dears, you have to underline these doing words from these steps. Okay, now look at this page again, these sentences again. Here, where are the doing words in the sentences? Where is the doing words given in the sentences? See here, where is the position of the doing words? Yes, we can see that doing words are given in the beginning of the sentences. Why? Because these are instructions. So from our previous class, we have learned that the instructions are always begins with the doing words, and these instructions tells the reader what to do. It is giving some ideas about how to prepare the food, how to make the food. So we can see these doing words given at the beginning of the sentences. Okay, now tell me, what can we make by following this recipe? Which thing we are making? Yes, it is a chocolate cupcake. So with the help of these steps, we have made a chocolate cupcake. And see, look at this recipe. Here we can see 2 parts. What are they? One is things needed, and second one, it is about the step. So these are the 2 parts of this recipe. So with the help of these 2 parts, we will get the idea about how to put things together and how much we needed and when to use these things. So these ideas will get with the help of these 2 parts, ingredients and steps. So ingredients means the things, the food items which we need to make the food. So a recipe tells us how to make food, how to prepare the food. So dears, now let's make a simple recipe. It is lemonade. L-E-M-O, lemonade, N-A-D-E, lemonade. Do you know what are the things we need to make this recipe? If we are going to make something, first of all, we need ingredients for this. We need the food items. So what are the things we need? That are a glass of water, lemon, sugar, salt, and a spoon also we needed to make this lemonade. So let's see the steps how to make this lemonade. See, steps to make lemonade. Number one, squeeze the half cut lemon into a glass of water. And step number two, add sugar into the water. And three, put a pinch of salt in the water. And the last one, mix it all together with a spoon. So these are the steps to make the lemonade. So dears, now tell me, what should I do first to make this lemonade? Yes, first I should squeeze the lemon, then I should put some sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar into it, and after that a pinch of salt, and at last I should mix it all together with the help of a spoon. So let's do the steps now. See, here I have taken a glass of water. Then what will I do next? Yes, next I want to squeeze the lemon into this water. See, here I have taken a half cut of lemon. So then I want to squeeze. I have to squeeze this lemon into this water. See? Squeeze the lemon into this water. Okay, now we have squeezed the lemon into this water. Then what is the next step? Yes, next I have to put 1 tablespoon of sugar into it. See, now I'm going to put this sugar into this water and a pinch of salt. And we need a pinch of salt we needed to put to it. Right? And at last, yes, we have to mix all together with the help of a spoon. So this how we will prepare a lemonade. See? Now it is ready to drink. So dears, you can also try to make a tasty lemonade at your home. Okay, now tell me, what are the things that we use to make this lemonade? Yes, a glass of water, lemon, then 1 tablespoon of sugar and salt. And how many steps were there to follow? Yes, 4 steps. First of all, squeeze the lemon and add some sugar, put a pinch of salt, and at last mix it all together with the help of a spoon. So what are the doing words in these steps? Right, take, then put, add, and mix. So these are the doing words. So this how, with the help of a recipe, we can make a food. We can make a tasty lemonade. So now let's move on to our workbook. From page number 16, there are 2 more recipes are waiting for you. So let's see. S2, parts of recipe. Read the following instructions that are written in the correct order. So here you have to read these given instructions in a correct order because these instructions are given in a wrong order. So let's find out its correct order, its correct manner, and read it. Then question number 1, write the things you will need to make sandwich using the recipe above. So here you will write the things, the ingredients that we need to make this sandwich. It is given above. So from there you have to find out those things and write it here. And question number 2, put the instructions in the right order and add another instructions. So here you have to write those instruction in a correct manner. And 3, write a story about making the sandwich using the above steps. So here you have to write the recipe, the way of making sandwich in a story model. So how can you write? Yes, one example is given. First, I spread the butter on both the slice of bread with the help of a knife, and then I add some cheese or some things from the recipe. From these order you can take, and after that whatever you are doing, and in the end and last cut the sandwich in this manner, and at last my sandwich is looking yummy or tasty. This way you can write the way of making sandwich. Okay, then let's move on to our next worksheet. It is creating a recipe. Question number 1, write the steps for making bel puri. Underlined the doing words. So one food item is given. It is bel puri. Bel puri means it is a food. It is mainly made with puffed rice, I think. It is a veg recipe. Okay, then what will you do? Here you will write the steps, the correct steps for making this bel puri. So one is given, put the puffed rice into a bowl. Then next add chopped onions, tomatoes and boiled potatoes. Then add crushed papdi and add bel puri masala, and at last garnish with coriander leaves. So this how you can write the steps for making these food, these bel puri, in a correct order. Then question number 2, write 2 sentences using the doing words from the steps to make bel puri. So I think it is difficult to do this because we are unaware of this food, right? But here you will write 2 sentences with the help of some doing words from to this step. Like when we garnish our food, it looks interesting. So this way you can fill this page, and let's move on to our practice questions. From question number 1, what did you learn from Sid and Sam's chocolate cupcake recipe? What did you learn? Yes, we learned to bake chocolate cupcake from Sid and Sam's recipes. Then number 2, what are the things you will need to make sandwich? What are the things you will need? Yes, we will need bread, then chopped vegetables, then butter, salt and some pepper and all we need to make sandwich. Then question number 3, write the steps to make lemonade. So this we have already learned. So here you have to write the steps to make a lemonade to your notebook. So this way you can complete this practice question also. So dears, these all are for today's class. So what have we learned today? Right, we have learned about the recipe. The recipe tells us, it helps us to make the tasty, the yummy food. And this recipe have 2 parts. It is the ingredients, means the things we needed to make the food, and the steps. So these 2 parts help us to make the tasty, yummy food. So these all are for today's class. Thank you.